How to fake Instagram not loading. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. After that, go to the Play Store application on your device and search for the Instagram application over here. So let's wait until it loads and then go to the search bar and search for Instagram application over here. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means that we have the latest version of Instagram application on our device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram and then tap on app info. Now as I tap on app info, it will lead me to a new page where you will be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on that and then tap on clear cache. Then tap on OK. After that, you can also tap on clear all data again, and you can delete all data if it's convenient for you. After that, go back and go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. After that, go back and try to install or try to open up the Instagram application again, and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.